I taught my turkey how to tango. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Oh! Hi, guys. Look at me. I'm dressed up in a turkey costume. Flap, 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 flap. It's so much fun. Today, since Thanksgiving is almost here, I am gonna show you how to make a happy Thanksgiving card for your family and friends. Watch my video. Welcome to Princess Elle's World. Hey guys, since the colors for Thanksgiving are the same colors for autumn, we're gonna need red, orange, yellow, light brown, dark brown if we want to use dark brown, green, gold glitter, and silver glitter. Perfect! Now let's start to open them. I'm gonna put them on the shelf. I'm gonna need my plastic scissors, and I'm gonna need the cup full of paint brushes. First, I'm gonna put orange in this cup. Whoa! If we need more, we can fill again. The next color we need is green, guys! Okay. That's enough green. Look, there's red, orange, yellow, green, and brown. Okay, those are the Thanksgiving colors. We're gonna need paint brushes, paper, paint, water, scissors, glue, and markers to draw. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna draw my hand. Let's start from the side because we're gonna need to make many hands. So here. There we go. Okay, let's do the last one. And done! Ta-da! Let's fix up the line. Done! Now we're gonna need to do the other hand. Okay. More It's okay, guys, because we're gonna cut it after. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna draw more hands. Okay. So much fun, guys. Then we're gonna paint the background. Okay guys, now we're done with the hands. Careful on the lines. Anyways, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna cut it. And then we're gonna paint the hand red, orange, yellow, brown, and green. and you can repeat the color you like. Okay, let's get started. Cut them, then we paint them. Look, my mom helped me to cut the hand faster. Always ask your mom or dad to help. Okay, now we need a new paper to draw the turkey. So let's get started, guys. So first, it goes like this. It's funny. Now we're gonna need to draw the feet. Other feet. And the nose over here. Perfect! I'm gonna make one bigger enough. Okay, let's cut them out now. Guys, my mom helped me cut out all the pieces. Now we can start coloring the small pieces. I'm gonna color first the nose yellow. Yellow's really clear. Okay guys, let's color the last bit. Done! Okay, let's do the orange for the feet. Okay. Okay, I'm all done. Perfect. Okay, I'm all done. Perfect. Now we just need black for the eyes. Look guys, it's black marker. Okay, let's start to color. The eyes are really simple to color. They're easy and fast. Okay, I'm almost done. All done. For the bigger parts, I'm gonna use the paint. First, I'm gonna start with brown for the body of the turkey. We're gonna need this paintbrush because the turkey is big. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's get some more. Ooh, that's a lot. Perfect brown. Control the sides. Okay. So much fun, guys. We're almost done. Just need the last bit over here. Okay, we're all done. We just need to wait for it to dry. Now I'm gonna wash the brush with the water. Now we're doing the hand. I'm gonna need red, orange, yellow, and green. All the colors to paint over on each hand. First, I'm gonna start with red. Red is clear like yellow. I love those colors. So the hands, we're gonna use them as feathers. I'll show you how. Remove the paint. And done, guys! Okay, now we're using yellows. Then we're gonna use so many yellows. Okay. Wow, I like yellow. What is your favorite color, guys? Comment down below. Now painting the bottom of the hand. done. Let's make the card, and I got some glue in my hand. We're gonna glue it in the middle, straight of the card. Voila, guys! It's all stick. So now we're gonna stick the nose. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the feet. Okay, now we're doing the other feet. Perfect. Then glue the eyes. That's perfect. Okay, very careful with the eyes. Voila! It looks so funny and cute. But we still need to add the feathers. The hands are gonna be feathers. So we're gonna use the glue again. First I'm gonna put for orange hand. Yeah, ask for your mom's help, guys, if you can't do it. That's enough. Voila! I glued them all, guys. What do you think? It looks funny. Don't forget to write Happy Thanksgiving. Look, guys, I'm decorating now a little bit. Done! Voila! Happy Thanksgiving, guys! Don't forget to be always thankful and grateful. Bye!